Hello friends, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about those nouns which takes a plural verb. But if you are new in this channel, do subscribe my channel for the latest videos about English and about other interesting subjects. Like these nouns have a plural meaning and takes a plural verb. For example, the police are coming back from operation. Now here, police is what? Police is a plural noun, and after plural noun it takes a plural verb. Now the police are coming back from operation. Are is a plural verb. Now there are many people who say this, that the police is coming back from operation, but it's wrong. Police is a plural noun and it takes a plural verb. The second one, people don't take serious COVID-19. By the way, it's true. People don't take serious COVID-19. Now here people are plural noun, so it takes a plural verb. Now I can't say this, that the people does not take serious COVID-19. It's wrong. The cattle are going to be sold. Now here the cattle means large ruminant animals with horns and clone hoofs. Now here the cattle is a plural noun and takes a plural verb. The last sentence, your clothes are dirty. Clothes is a plural verb, plural noun, and takes a plural verb. So I hope you have gotten today's lesson. If you have any query, please ask in comment section. Take care of yourself, and next video will be soon uploaded. Thanks.